Okay, just checking OBS again. Alright, so now that we have added the sound effect audio clip to the game project directory, we can use it inside the game. Let me see. Explode. .1f. Okay, so we'll wait 0.1 before we play the sound effect. So we'll call the sound effect from within the animation manager. Wait, then play sound effect. Or rather, wait, then play explode sound. Okay, copy and paste this. And we'll call sound manager to play the sound effect using the audio source from the sound effects player. And we need to drag and drop. Or rather, we need to create a new variable for defeat explode clip. Wait, then play. Okay. Okay, so this is the code that does the explosion, and we'll call the coroutine over here. Play explode sound 0.1. So now all we need to do is to go to our animation manager and our defeat explode clip. You drag and drop over here. Okay, now let's test defeating Big Thief. Oh shit. Okay, so we only have 1 health left. Alright, so that's the sound effect for when Big Thief is defeated. Okay, now we need okay, let's listen to that sound effect again and see if okay, let's listen to that sound effect again and see if it is too loud or too soft. When I meant by see, I meant by listening. Ouch. Okay, so it seems like we can increase the volume slightly. Okay, maybe to 8.8 or even okay, let's try 8.2. Okay, where's my folder? Okay, so Audacity is going to crash. Okay, sometimes it does that. Yep. Okay, sometimes it does that twice in a row. Okay, but most of the time it works, so it's still all good. Okay, so let's test that now. Okay, so now we can hear the glassy explosion better. So okay, the next sound effect that we will add is when you enter the portal and when the portal disappears. Okay, so over here we'll save as animations, portal, enter. Okay, animations and animations. Okay, as usual we have a few candidates, I think. Portal. Okay, maybe not. Do we have a portal? See, I have so many sound effects that I've lost track. Okay. Okay, so this is one of our candidates. So let's use this and delete this. Okay, we reduce the volume on this. Okay, it just so happens that we can use this to complement the sound effect for when you enter the portal. Okay, but we're not going to do that because it, in a way, is 50% similar to the glass explosion effect. So let's not do that. Okay, let's see what can we use to mix it up, to make it more interesting, to give it character. Maybe let's try. Okay, we have to go through many combinations before we find a good fit. Oh, this is a good fit. Okay, but let's see if we can find something else better. Okay, let's try. Okay, let me just check OBS to make sure that it's still running. Okay. Surprisingly, we have not dropped any frames today. The amount of drop frames is 0, which is awesome. Okay, let's try another combination. Okay, let's try this. It doesn't sound that. It doesn't sound like it complements the primary sound effect. Okay, let's go with this. Okay, so by the way, we still need to do something to the, or rather we need to add an animation when you, some sort of animation when you enter the portal. Okay, since we already have an animation for when the portal closes. So portal enter. OBS running, good. Audacity. Okay, let's, as usual, drag and drop. And no crashing, good. Export to animations. Okay, let's close Audacity. Okay, copy and paste. Now let's go back to Unity. Okay, so we are going to add a, or rather an audio source to our portal. Okay, so over here we'll call the, or rather we'll need a reference to our sound manager. Okay, and since we do not destroy our portal and we'll keep reusing it, we can do this. You can drag and drop the to link the portal with the sound manager. Okay. Scene. Okay, actually we can do this as well for the scene and animation manager. Okay, let's see our portal. Okay, our animation manager. And now we'll okay, public audio clip, enter clip, and close clip. Okay, as you might have guessed, the enter clip is played when you enter the portal, and the close clip is played when the portal closes. Alright, so enter clip. Okay, we will call the sound manager to play the sound effect. When you enter the portal. Alright, so where is our enter clip? Animations, portal enter, drag and drop over here. Okay, and that should play the sound effect when you enter the portal. Oh no. Okay, by the way, when you play the game, it will not be so easy as your mana will run out. Currently, I'm on an unlimited mana mode, so you see that I can keep spamming my attacks. Okay, so now when you enter the portal, you hear the sound effect and the portal will close. Okay. Okay, so now we need a sound effect for when the portal closes. Okay, so I think we have that. Or do we not have that? Okay, let's save this as portal close. Let's delete this. And let's see. Okay, we might not have a candidate for that, but if I recall, I do have, or maybe I have. Okay, let's try to go with this and see if it fits the game or not. Okay, if it doesn't, we'll have to go with something else. Okay, but one thing is for sure, we have to reduce the volume on this. Okay, let's try to see if it fits by first exporting it. Okay, and converting it to a WAV file. Okay, Porter close. Okay, this is when you enter, and this is when it closes. Okay. Okay, so now let's see. We can drag and drop it to our Porter script over here. So Porter close, and let's go back to the Porter script, and we can do close animation. Okay, we can call Sound Manager to play the close clip here. Okay, so that should work. Okay, so now let's see, or rather let's listen to how it feels like